Hi, let's check out this newest Hisense washing machine packed with features to make laundry day a breeze. Developed, designed, and produced in Slovenia, Europe, this appliance guarantees amazing performance and intuitive operation. First up, our Allergy Steam function. This powerful feature removes 99.9% of bacteria, as well as allergens like dust mites and pet dander. Plus, it drastically reduces wrinkles, giving your laundry a deep clean and a smooth finish. When you need a quick wash, our quick 20-minute cycle is perfect when you need to wash a small load of laundry in a hurry. Say goodbye to stubborn wrinkles with our anti-crease function. The drum of this thing will automatically rotate intermittently for 2 hours after the cycle has finished, leaving your clothes fluffy and wrinkle-free. With Hygiene Guard function, you can remove bacteria from your clothes and other items, leaving them refreshed and hygienic. And for even quicker wash times, our quicker wash function will shorten every program on the menu without compromising on washing efficiency. The Hisense Baby Care program uses a higher temperature for baby clothes, followed by several rinses to remove as much detergent as possible. And Pause and Add feature is a lifesaver as it allows you to add or remove items from your laundry load at any time, even mid-cycle. The Down program is perfect for one-of-a-kind items like down-filled pillows, duvets, or jackets. It keeps your items in their original shape and free of lumps by using a low temperature and gentle spinning cycles. If you enjoy working out, then the Sports program will work for you. It will effectively remove sweat marks and odors from your workout clothes. It works by running a longer wash cycle at a lower temperature, keeping your fabrics in great condition. Finally, our Drum Clean with Steam program keeps your washing machine fresh and clean by preventing bad odors and mold buildup. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.